The wife's fear of corona can prevent her husband from approaching. Prominent Saudi scholar Dr. Abdullah bin Muhammad al-Mutlaq has stated in a recent fatwa that if a woman does not allow her husband to come close in the form of physical demand for fear of the coronavirus, he will be allowed to do so. While there would be no sin for a woman who refuses to marry her future husband on the grounds that he does not restrict himself to the house even during the existing corona epidemic, because such a person is more likely to be affected by corona. Dr. Muttalq, a key member of the Saudi Supreme Scholars Council and advisor to the royal court, urged Muslim men to confine themselves to their homes, fearing God, so that their wives and family would be intimidated by the coronavirus. Don't get in trouble. Dr. al-Muttalq was responding to questions from the public on the Saudi TV channel's religious program Fatwa when a female caller asked him, "My husband does not stay home even in the days of corona's current outbreak and spends more time outside." The wife's fear of corona can prevent her husband from approaching. He also doesn't care about government orders. Due to which I am very worried about myself and my children's health and life. Even with my husband, I have given up sleeping. Am I committing a sin by doing so? In response to this question, Dr. Muttalq said to the woman, "You are not a sinner at all. Rather, you are protecting yourself. Because it is the Lord's command not to kill yourself. Your Lord is the most merciful." Dr. al-Muttalq added, "You do not obey the husband because of the fear of corona. If he doesn't listen to you and make himself safe at home, then keep yourself away from him for your protection. If he does not refuse, let him go to quarantine for 14 days in case of anything." Quote. Sheikh al-Mutlaq explained that if a husband participates in concerts and gatherings ignoring the protection of the health and lives of his wife, children, and family, then there is absolutely no way for his wife to take physical distance from him. There will be no sin. We urge such ignorant husbands to fear God, to spend time at home not violating curfew, so that their wives and families do not have to suffer mentally.